Deep below, the machine appears. A heavy excavator, lost beneath the water.
Once powerful, now forgotten.
And then, it appears. A massive excavator, lost in the deep sea.
It was bigger than they imagined.
After years, it would move again. After years beneath the ocean, it breaks free. And then, it returned to the surface. The full scale is revealed, massive and broken. A machine lost to time.
This job needed real power.
Slowly, the machine moves again. A silent giant, returning to land.
The ocean finally lets go. Now, the truth shows.
Now exposed, the damage is clear. What remained was barely recognizable.
Not everything comes off easily. The toughest layers are scrubbed away. Some damage needs force.
The restoration begins, layer by layer. It had been found. Now it would be reborn.
Years of damage, breaking apart.
The surface is reshaped, smooth again. Perfection takes effort.
The real work begins here.
It had to be made whole again.
Inside, everything is damaged. The heart was completely destroyed.
Years of damage washed away.
Perfection begins here.
Everything had to be cleared.
Rebuilding begins. Every bolt perfectly aligned. Precision is everything. The heart fully restored, stronger than ever. After years, it moves again. The machine lives.
Oil flows, bringing everything to life. Every part now moving smoothly.
Power transfers, without resistance. Everything aligned. Power increases instantly. Now it's alive.
You can feel the power, strong and stable.
Clean output, controlled power. No waste, only efficiency.
The heart, flawless, perfectly restored. No detail can be missed.
Everything starts here.
From rust to power.
From old to new.
Every part receives the same care. Nothing is left unfinished.
The final layer seals perfection. Now it shines. Flawless surface. Even water cannot stay.
Strong, solid, reliable, built to last.
Even the smallest detail, flawless. Nothing overlooked.
Ready to work again. It moves forward, powerful and steady, like nothing ever happened. It moves like new. Nothing holds it back. Stronger than before. Even the ground responds. Power you can feel. Controlled, powerful, precise, ready for anything. Built to work, back in action. Under golden light, it stands powerful, stronger than ever.